Hi again, readers. It is time to move on to the last job for our lesson today. We are going to read a story together out loud. The name or the title of this story is on the top of the page. See if you can put your finger on it and find it. Let's read it together. This story's name is Can I See Tom? And I'm noticing how there's a question mark at the end. I'm asking a question in the title. Can I see Tom? This story is about two friends who have fun playing hide and seek. What I'd like you to do is pause the story or pause the video here so you can read the words all by yourself. When you're done, play the video and we can read the words together. So go ahead now, hit pause, and read those words on your own. The words on this page say, I am it. And her speech bubble, in the picture there's a bubble coming out of the girl's mouth, and it looks like she's counting. I see the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pause here and read the next page. Tom, I can't see you. Is Tom on top? Her speech bubble is saying, Tom. As you read, first graders, practice touching each word as you say it out loud. Practice reading with expression too. I see on this page there are 2 question marks. See if you can make your voice change to sound like you're asking a question when you read those words. Let's go on to the next page. Pause here to read. It is not Tom. It is a pot. Your turn. Hit pause. Can I see Tom? Is it Tom? It is a mop. It is not Tom. Okay, so far, this girl has looked in 2 different places. She can't find Tom. Let's keep reading to see what happens. Your turn. Go ahead. This page says, I can see Tom's socks. Yes, I can see you, Tom. Last page, your turn. These words say, Tom is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's the end of our story. So it looks like now they switched turns. First the girl was playing hide and seek and she was looking for Tom. And now it's Tom's turn to look for the girl. Nice job, readers. That is all that I had for you for today's lesson. I'm actually going to share with your families some activities that you can do about this story. And you can show me all of the work that you do. You can email it to me or show me in Dojo. I would love to see all the hard work that you're doing. Have a wonderful rest of your week, and I'll see you soon. Keep up the good work. I miss you guys. Bye, first graders.